magkano ang basic salary dyan at monthly niya? Saan po ba banda yan? Okay, nag-range po yung monthly amortization natin from 18,000 to 24,000 pesos per month. Depende po yan sa age loan term po natin. Okay? So, ang basic income na kinakailangan sa pag-ibig, at least 55,000. Okay? Kung hindi ka pasok at bitin yung income mo, pwede ka namang kumuha at least 2 co-borrower. Ibig sabihin, pagko-combinein po yung income nyo. Kung ano po yung requirements ninyo as principal borrower, same requirements lang din po kay co-borrower. So, kung bank financing naman po, okay, 25,000 cash up only. No down payment po yung ilalabas po natin. Ang kailangan lang po dyan ay 50,000 pataas na gross income. So, kung bitin po, pwede po kayong kumuha ng co-borrower din. Pwede po yun in case na mabitin po yung income nyo pagdating sa requirements natin. At ang process, 30 to 90 days lang ay pwede ka nang maka-approve. Okay, once na ma-approve ka, pwede mo nang malipatan yung property mo. Kasi good news, ready for occupancy na to at pwede nang malipatan talaga agad. At the same time, no down payment or no spot down payment. Lifetime ownership, may sariling mall, okay na yung amenities at malapit sa lahat at talagang accessible at convenient. So follow mo ko Ma'am Tinay, okay? Just follow me, message me at paki-heart na rin po yung video na to.